Rising Moons travelers, wanted to quickly share with you guys my progress that I made today on this. No batteries in my Droid Depot controller. Just a side note, this controller is modded with the LED mod, so it has like a power on LED that is green. You'll see here. Okay, it is working and it does the normal flashing of the two colors of the LED there. It has a 600 milliamp hour little 1S LiPo battery in here left over from my RC car days. And it also does USB charging. Right. I'll show you here real quick. Actually, I'm going to disconnect it from the charger first. Everything goes back together. Still works. All the buttons are just fine. Right. It's closed up. And you can kind of see the charge indicator a little bit. Oh, it'll still run while it's charging too. That's the other cool thing. It'll still work. You can see the charge indicator there. So you can tell when your batteries are charged back up. And next on the docket is going to be figuring out how to incorporate the Droid toolbox. As you guys know, the remote has to be off while this is on, or it just won't work. But it does fit exactly in there, and it even stays. Right, it doesn't come out. So my first thought is tilt switch. So when it is in this orientation, the Droid toolbox is off, and then when it's in this orientation, the remote will turn off. So I'm trying to think of a way that might work. The challenge might be when people store it, like if you have an escape pod, people tend to kind of slide them in the side pockets, and it's going to sit like this. How is it going to be on and off? Need to figure that kind of stuff out. Need to figure out this little micro switch here. It's just a little proud. And then what I'll probably do is find a way to use the battery door to kind of hold down, maybe even remove this USB here, because it doesn't need to be there once it's programmed. But then if there's software updates, I don't know. We need to figure that kind of stuff out. But I'm thinking figuring out something to where I could just use it to hold down the device on this end, and then when you did need to connect to USB, you can just remove it. Figure it out. It's all figure outable. Anyways, till the spire.